This video will show you how to replace the blade on this Cub Cadet walk-behind mower. Depending on your model, the instructions in this video may vary slightly. Always be sure to check your operator's manual for detailed instructions. Remove the spark plug ignition wire. Using the Arnold siphon pump, place the top port into the gas tank on the engine and the bottom port into a proper container. Prime the pump by pumping the handle 3 to 4 times. Once liquid begins to flow, it will flow without further pumping. Remove the Arnold siphon pump. Tip the mower on its side with the air filter up. Wearing gloves for protection, secure the blade using the Arnold blade removal tool. Remove the blade retaining bolts and then remove the blade. Replace the blade with a new blade. Secure the new blade with the Arnold blade removal tool. Tighten the blade retaining bolt to the proper torque as indicated in your operator's manual. Tip the mower back onto its wheels. Reattach the spark plug ignition wire.